Are you an architect or engineer that wants to achieve financial peace, build financial confidence, and ultimately experience financial abundance? If so, then you need to understand the Wealth Blueprint System. It's a system that I specifically designed to help architects and engineers overcome the three main challenges that I see. The first challenge is a lack of a clear financial system. Without a structured system, you risk being unprepared, living reactively rather than proactively. This makes it difficult to achieve your financial goals. The second challenge is an inefficient investment and tax strategy. Without a comprehensive strategy, your investments may underperform, and tax inefficiencies can significantly erode your wealth, which limits your ability to maximize your financial potential. The third challenge is feeling overwhelmed and indecision. Oftentimes, architects and engineers feel paralyzed when faced with making financial decisions due to a lack of time, limited knowledge, fear of missing out, or even analysis paralysis. This can lead to missed opportunities or poor decisions, which prevent you from confidently moving forward towards your financial goals. This system consists of three stages to put you on the path to financial abundance. The first stage is achieving financial peace through establishing a baseline, setting clear goals, and crafting a personalized financial system. The second is building financial confidence through a comprehensive investment and tax strategy, as well as managing your financial risks. And the third is experiencing financial abundance through diversifying your income and assets, designing your ideal lifestyle, and crafting an impact plan. If you'd like to learn more about how this system can help you achieve financial abundance, send me a message for more information.